Simply by changing out a couple ingredients, it can change the flavor profile of a dish immensely. So today I want to take you through a meatball recipe that has a little fiesta flair to it. Will you join me? Because we're going to go ahead and put those ingredients together and get cooking. I've got 1.5 pounds of ground beef and a large garlic clove goes in minced with salt, pepper, and I'm going to add in about 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs and then also 4 tablespoons of seasoning. You can make your own seasoning or use a taco seasoning in this. 1 egg, and I like to use a fork to mix it up so that my warm hands don't make it too mushy. I'm also going to add in dry parsley flakes for my herb and finish mixing. This gives me about 24 bite-sized meatballs, and in the oven, I'm going to cook them at 400 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes. Variety is the spice of life, they say. So this recipe is one of those things that I really like about how diverse it is, because you can eat these meatballs exactly the way they are out of the oven as an appetizer or a snack. You can throw them into some sort of a dish if you'd like. Maybe make a spicy Cajun rice with some veggies in there and then throw the meatballs in to make a full meal. What I wanted to do with this was keep it a little bit low carb, so I cut up some beautiful colored peppers and onions and then put those in a frying pan, sauteed them till they got a bit soft, and cooked out the rest of the meatballs in that pan, making it just a wonderful, delicious meal. What do you eat your meatballs with? Do you like to sauce them up? Do you like to put them into soups or stews? Or, I mean, you tell me. Maybe there's something I haven't even heard of yet. This is what I love about a YouTube and a creator community, because we can chat and we can get ideas from each other, and I absolutely love that. So thank you so much for tuning in to a meatball recipe on The Silly Kitchen. I hope to see you again here soon. Till next time.